the single greatest prepper score ever. Hey everybody, I'm Michael with Asymmetrical Preparedness, and today I'm going to tell you about a score that I got at Goodwill that will blow your mind. First off, I want to go into a little bit of history also and tell you some other good stories of stuff that I've found at thrift stores and other locations, proving that you can save money on preparedness. But first, I want to say thank you very much for allowing me to be part of your day. I really appreciate that. I hope to empower you, I hope to grow the community, and I hope to spread the word about prepping to average, normal, everyday people that are out there that want to become better prepared for whatever happens. All right, so first story. I have at least 3 stories from like Goodwill. I forget exactly what thrift stores, but so I was looking at my closet, and first off, I like earth tone clothing. So I saw that I had a lot of green short sleeve and long sleeve shirts. And I'm like, you know, I want some more browns in there. So I was at Goodwill, I think, looking for a long sleeve brown t-shirt. So what I found was a Hanes long sleeve brown t-shirt that was $3.99. I'm like, all right, you know, maybe I'll buy it. Right next to it, I see another long sleeve brown shirt. I pull it out, it's $2.99. It's an Arc'teryx shirt. It's like $100, $150 long sleeve shirt for $1 less than the Hanes one was. So of course I brought that home. So that was a big score. At that time, that was the biggest prepper score that I had found at a thrift store. The next one though is really good, and it wasn't at a Goodwill, it was at another local like faith-based thrift store, which I really like. I really like them because what they do, they're smaller, so the amount of stuff they get in, what they do is they pick and choose the stuff that they feel is nicer or better, and then they redonate all the other stuff to other thrift stores. I don't think they do Goodwill though, because Goodwill, I don't know if you know this, but is a for-profit organization, and sometimes their pricing is like whacked. I mean, sometimes it's like I look at something like it doesn't cost that brand new. So anyway, but you do find some scores if you keep your eyes out, and if you go buy them often and check them out. So I'm at this local faith-based thrift store, awesome store, and I see they're sitting on the camping, outdoorsy type area, a backpack. I'm like, okay, cool, maybe another bug out bag or something. I pick it up, I start looking at it, it's a tactical backpack, like OD greenish, and I'm like, oh, this thing's really nice, it's sewn really well, stuff like that. I look at the top, London Bridge Trading Company. They make high-end, very good quality tactical gear that a lot of frontline military units, special operations forces use their gear all around the world. And it is a very, very nice backpack. It was, I think it was like $200, $250 range. The price on it, I think it said $25 or something like that. And so I took it up to the counter. I'm like, is this really $25? And she's like, I mean, because it was used, but it was still in great condition. But it was a little dirty, stuff like that. But it was in really good condition. It just needed to be cleaned up a little bit. So the lady's like, well, she's like, nah, she's like, how does $5 sound? And I'm like, yeah, that's fair. So that was another score, $5 for a $200 plus backpack. That was awesome. And that has become my assault pack, short range patrol pack sort of thing. And it's current use. That's one of my go-to rigs. It's not my long range patrol pack because it's a smaller pack. But yeah, that was an awesome score. And another thing I found, I'm trying to build up to the last one, the greatest score ever here. But another really good score I found was, I forget the brand, but I always look, when I'm at Goodwill, thrift stores, I always look at the fleece blankets, wool blankets, and sleeping bags. I found some good quality sleeping bags. So I look at this one and I could tell by the feel of it and what it was that it was a high quality sleeping bag. And like I said, I forget the brand, but I pull it out and it was like 15 bucks. And I'm like, well, you know, I'll do some more research on the brand when I get home, but I can tell by the feel and my experience that that's a nice sleeping bag. I was like, it's at least a 0 degree bag, if not more. So when I get home, I look it up and it's a negative 30 degree bag from a higher end manufacturer. I forget the price, you know, it was, you know, a couple $100 maybe, you know, maybe 200, I forget exactly what, but score for 15 bucks. So those are some really good scores I have found there. Another one I just thought of, I found my wife a pair of my favorite shoes, warm weather shoes, which are the Salomon Speedcross 5s. They're a trail running shoe. I love those shoes. They're light, they don't weigh anything, they fit like a glove, and they're so comfortable. Awesome tread, great for like tactical training, trail running, of course. So I found her a pair of brand new, tag still on it, Salomon Speedcross 5s for, I think they were $20. But I'm like, that's $100 to $130-ish shoe, brand new. I'm like, come on, yeah, that was a good score. So there are scores out there. There are definitely scores out there. Actually, before I get to the big one, I got one more to tell you about. Coleman camp stoves, you know, the ones you use the little propane bottles on, or you can hook them up to larger propane tanks. The current one in the Land Cruiser, which is right here, Land Cruiser, the current one that we use while we're out overlanding all the time, I found at Goodwill. It was in, you know, slightly used condition, but great shape. All the parts were there and stuff like that. Works great, has served us well for years. I think I found that for like $8 or $9, maybe it was 10, maybe even 12, I don't know, but say it was $12. Good score, because, you know, those are a lot more. I don't know how much they cost. So if you're on a very limited, basically zero budget like me, thrift stores are one of my favorites, one of my go-tos. All right, so you guys want to hear about the best score ever. So I was at the thrift store recently. It was Goodwill, our favorite Goodwill. And my older son was trying stuff on the changing room. So he got done. So we're coming back to cash registers and we're going down this aisle I never really go down. It was in the women's clothing section. Go figure. This is where all the ski pants and cold weather gear is. I'm like, why didn't I know that before? So I was looking for my little girl. I was looking for, you know, a set of snow pants for the upcoming winter because she's pretty much grown out of the stuff from last year. Coyote tan always catches my eye. I saw Coyote tan, adult size. So I pull them off the rack. You know, like Coyote tan, snow pants. The first thing I noticed is they zip all the way up the side. And I'm like, ooh, that's interesting. These were $15, by the way. So then I look at the tag. Beyond Clothing. And I knew, basically in brand new condition. I'm like, I knew with my experience from the military that these were at least a $400 pair of pants for $15 in like new condition. Well, when I got home, I looked them up. These are the Beyond Clothing L7 cold pants. They sell them for $899.99. $900 pair of pants for $15. Greatest score ever. So what am I gonna do? I would love to have these. But you know what? I have to be reasonable and I have to put my priorities where they should be, which is taking care of my family. So we have bills to pay, we have food to buy, we have things that we are very, very, very tight and struggle a lot financially. So I'm going to be selling these. Speaking of that, I guess if you're interested in purchasing these from me, it will be a substantial bit less than what these things retail for. They're size medium, they're men's size medium. I still need to make a decent profit. I'm trying to sell them in other locations also. But if you're interested, email me. Either asymmetrical, well, yeah, the easiest one I check most often is asymmetricalpreparedness@gmail.com. And, you know, we'll talk. I mean, I can ship them to you. But, yeah, I do need to make some good money from these. Yeah, I'd love to keep these pants, but honestly, I don't need them because I have Fortress clothing. Links in the description below. Awesome stuff. I have their base layers. So if I need a cold pant, I'll just throw their base layers on underneath a pair of Gore-Tex pants or a hard shell pants or something like that. And that'll do me well, especially where I'm at. It doesn't get extreme, but these are part of the extreme cold weather system from Beyond Clothing. Score. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day and blessings to you and yours.